Yeah. So have you all completed your activity, poster or whatever you are making? Poster, video, drawing, rangoli. Completed it? No?
No, sir.
Whose period was it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Whose
No,
period?
sir.
Sir, done.
It was whose period?
Sadhana ma'am.
Sadhana ma'am.
So she told you to do this activity? She did
Yes,
not?
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, she told you. Okay, so what you can do, you can, if you, some of you have not completed, complete it right now. I'm giving you just 10 minutes to complete it. After 10 minutes, we will.
Sir, we can complete it after the classes also because we can send it till evening. Sir, you can give us
Actually,
if you want revision.
I have been instructed. Okay, yeah, you have your test also.
Sir,
So,
tomorrow.
so just 5 minutes, because I have been instructed by the coordinator that I should give students time for this also, because after the classes, obviously you all have to prepare for your test. UTs are going on. So just 5 minutes.
Sir, I have prepared.
Those who are just about to finish it, they can do it. After 5 minutes, we will start with the revision, and I will take your doubts. Okay. 5 minutes. Got it? All of you? Are you doing it? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
how
sir.
many of you are making it, really making it? How many of you are making it? You can write a slogan, a good slogan also. I can give you a suggestion of a slogan, what I thought of. अभी मेरे दिमाग में आया था, मैं भूल गया. What was that?
नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी.
वो भी है. क्या था यार, मैं भूल गया. It was in English. क्या था यार? Let me think of it. I will tell you definitely.
Sir, I just searched on Google about some slogans, and one of them is "मत करो इतनी मस्ती, जिंदगी नहीं है सस्ती."
और क्या बढ़िया ऐसी स्लोगन्स लिखे जाते हैं जो लोगों को थोड़ा फनी लगे, एंड इफ दे आर फनी then they give the message more clearly. It goes into the mind when it is a little funny. So लोगों को
Yes, sir.
So you can write something like this. It should be funny and it should touch the hearts also. So something like this. Right.
मत करो इतनी मस्ती, जिंदगी नहीं है सस्ती.
Yeah, मुझे याद आ गया. You can, at the top you can write follow road safety rules, and after that your slogan. Follow road safety rules, after that your slogan. Alert today, alive tomorrow. So something like this.
Sir, today we will do maths.
We will do maths after some time. I gave you all.
Yes, sir. This is on Google also. Alert today, alike tomorrow.
मैंने last year, I think last year there was a campaign in the school also. Some military people came to the school. I think police came, traffic police came to the school, and
Yes, sir.
they gave some slogans. They gave a demo also. lot of rules they told to the students. So this slogan, I think I heard
Sir,
from
they
them.
also told how to use firework.
Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
was
Sir,
uh,
using extinguishers.
fire extinguishers also they gave a demo. So somewhere I heard this slogan also. I maybe from them only. So make it, and then you can post your posters or whatever you are doing. You can post it in the group. So how many of you are making a poster?
Sir, trying. मतलब sir,
Bhavya is making
75%
a
बन गया.
poster. You can raise your hands if you are making a poster. Okay, lower your hand. Only 2 of you are making a poster. Okay, how many of you are making a rangoli? Raise your hands if you are making a rangoli. No one. Okay, how many of you are making a drawing? Drawing with a message? No. Vidushi is making a drawing. And how many of you are recording a video? Raise your hands if you are recording. Bhavya is recording a video. Alind is also recording a video. Okay. Ridhima is also recording a video. Very good. Ridhima, I won't ask you what you are recording in the video because Acha, Angel Anand is also recording a video. I won't ask you all what you are going to record in the video. I want to see them. So I hope you all will send it to me personally also because group may I might lose them. I might not find them in the group. So I want to see your videos and your posters also.
Sir, I will send you personally.
Okay, you can send me personally your posters, your drawing, whatever slogans if you are writing slogans also. मतलब अभी अभी मैं पूछ लूंगा कि व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग व्हाट यू आर मेकिंग तो वो आउट हो जाएगा वो फिर कॉपीराइट पे कॉपीराइट नहीं रहेगा वो दैट इज व्हाई लोअर योर हैंड्स ऑल ऑफ यू slogan someone's writing slogan who's writing a slogan Ridhima is also writing a slogan so I can see some of you are doing two things um, Ridhima is doing two things. Alind and Bhavya are also doing two things. They are making poster and
The sketch.
you sorry Angel.
Sir, sketch. Like
No,
there was an option, no? The sketch is the better one.
okay, okay. Okay, so okay, can you tell me again? I am going to ask you a question. You can raise your hands for it. How many of you want me to continue with the revision work for tomorrow's test? Okay. Raise your hands if you want me to start your maths. Raise your hands if you want me to start with maths. Okay. Okay, many of you.
Sir, maths is having more support.
Mishra ji, you are making a poster or what? You don't want me to start with maths? You want me to give you time for this activity? Mishra ji?
Sir, I want you to start with maths.
Okay, you were not raising your hands. And Krishna, Lakshya Kumar, Navya, what do you all want? Sakhan Sahu.
Yes, sir.
Sir, revision.
Revision. Okay, so we are starting with revision.
Sir, almost 12 students are with maths.
You all also can see the hand raised.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, मैं समझता था
Sir,
खाली
in the
मुझे-
participants.
all the participants can see. Okay, मुझे लगता था कि only the host can see. You all raising your hands.
Sir, can we now lower our hands?
Yes, you all can lower your hands. Okay, so yeah, you can throw your doubts now. फेंको अपने doubts मेरे ऊपर फेंको.
Sir, revision.
Revision तो हो गया यार, उसमें कुछ there is nothing much.
Okay, sir.
For revision.
Sir, कोई doubt तो है नहीं.
No doubts. Mishra ji is
No,
having some doubt. Mishra ji, you have a doubt?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I was just raising hand for maths.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir.
can I switch off my video to charge the phone?
Switch off your video to charge the phone. Okay.
Sir, to charge the phone because it's 21% left.
Okay. You can do it. Karthik.
Sir, can you explain the alcohol 135th question of?
Yesterday you were there? Sorry?
No, sir, I was there, but sir, I came after you started that. Well, ma'am, sir, you was on half of that question.
There is a very good solution of your problem. You can watch the recorded video.
Okay, sir.
What we are doing because I had disconnected to network.
Beta, we are starting with. I was asking you all to ask your problems. If you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts. Clear your doubts for tomorrow's test. Anyone? I'm waiting for you all to ask your doubts. No one else?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
Okay, so may I tell you something about tomorrow's test? You will have
Yes,
4
sir.
questions from
Yes, sir.
subjective. You have 4 questions, 1 question of 3 marks and 3 questions of 4 marks each. And in the objective one, let me just see how many you have.
So 25.
Wait. Maths. I have the maths objective question paper in my hands. I can show you here. This is your paper.
Sir, please show us questions.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल अभी दिखा रहा हूँ मैं. Yeah, in the objective part there are 13 questions. 13 plus 4, so total 17 questions are there. 13 objective and 4 subjective.
So the 13 objective will be of how many marks? 2 or 3?
Some questions will be of 1 mark, some of 2 marks, and some of 3 marks. 3 marks because वैसे तो वो objective है because they require a little calculation also, so थोड़े से lengthy हैं. So you don't consider that your objective paper is very easy. You don't think like this. That means it will take. It is not difficult also, but it will take time. So you at least you keep 35 or 40 minutes for your objective question paper also. So just finish your subjective paper in 20 to 25 or maximum 25 minutes. You should finish your subjective paper and keep at least 35 minutes, at least 35 minutes for your objective paper also. Okay.
Sir,
What?
there are only 4 questions. We can finish in 10
You
to
can,
15 minutes.
you can finish the maximum. I'm telling you, maximum it should take 20-25 minutes, not more than that, because you have to show the whole solution with all the steps in your subjective paper. So that is why I'm telling you that maximum it should take 20-25 minutes, not more than that. Okay. Objective wala bhi,
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
it will take time because there is some calculation which is required in some questions. तो ऐसे ही बस क्वेश्चन जैसे इंग्लिश में एसएसटी में होता है, क्वेश्चन पढ़ा और आंसर मार्क कर दिया, ऐसा नहीं है. थ्योरी में आप यू रीड द क्वेश्चन एंड यू चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन एंड यू सबमिट इट. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट. मैथ्स में थोड़ा अलग होता है. मैथ्स में यू हैव
Yes,
टू
sir. We have to cross
always
check every option and then tick.
you have to find the answer, you have to solve the question, and then you will be able to use the correct option. Okay, so it will take time, the objective paper also.
So, sir, that paper should also be subjective form.
Matlab, we cannot
Yes,
give,
sir. I was also
there are
saying that.
instructions from the school that we cannot give a subjective paper more than 40%. मतलब subjective वाला जो part है वो आपका 40% से ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, because we are doing all this online. So in online platform, you all know that objective is easier for students as well as for the teachers also to correct, because if the whole
Sir,
paper
but
is subjective,
subjective
it
is very
very
easy.
difficult for the checking also, and students के लिए भी difficult हो जाता है because they have to submit their copies, take the pictures, make a PDF and then send it. It takes a lot of time, as well as उसमें थोड़ा cheating का scope भी ज़्यादा रहता है subjective वाले में. वो भी मुझे मालूम है, आप सबको भी पता होगा subjective में.
Sir, how?
वो रहता है बेटा
Sir,
तुम
how?
यू हाँ कितने सीधे बच्चे हैं, है ना. दुनिया के सारे सीधे मिलकर के एक ही क्लास में आ गए हैं 7C में.
Sir, there is a Zoom meeting, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There is Zoom meeting,
Yes,
but in
sir.
objective,
I know you all are
it's in
still,
Google Forms.
you all are matlab not of that type. I know this class has very good students. They don't think like that, but in other classes उसमें बहुत चतुर चालाक बच्चे हैं. So उनके पास सारे तरीके, वो सोचते हैं कि कहाँ से कहाँ
Surya and Kripansh.
हाँ. So that is why. एंजल बेटा, तुम्हारे सर पे ये कैट बैठ गई है.
सर यही हेयर बैंड पसंद आता है ज्यादा.
अच्छा, हेयर बैंड है. अच्छा, ओहो, मैं समझा नहीं कैट के कान दिख रहे हैं, पीछे से बैठ के सुन रही है, क्लास में एसओएस पढ़ना चाह रही है. Okay, so I think there are no doubts, so may I start, मतलब continue with the chapter triangles, or I should give
Yes,
you
sir.
Sir,
Continue.
revision.
Sir,
revision questions.
Yes, sir, of linear equation. Sir, give sir some questions, sir. Less questions, sir. 5 or 10.
Sir, sir, there are many questions of linear equations. You can give of unitary method.
Okay, I am giving you some questions from linear equations in which you have to solve the equation. You don't have to make a, I'm not giving you a word problem. I'm giving you an equation. You have to solve the equation to find the answer. So that also requires, and I will give you new questions, not from your book. Some new questions I will give. Okay. And let me tell you, questions may concept will remain the same, but it is not necessary कि same questions आपकी book वाले ही आ जाएंगे. The concept will remain the same. Question कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं. तो हो सकता है कि जो question मैं आज करा रहा हूँ same ऐसा ही question exam में कल टपक जाए. So that is possible. So this is your question. You have to solve the equation. The equation is 5x minus 4 whole upon 6 is equal to 4x plus 1 minus 3x plus 10 whole upon 2. Yeah. 5x minus 4 whole upon 6 is equal to 4x plus 1 minus 3x plus 10 upon 2. Yeah, this is your question.
Sir,
Solve the equation. Yes.
sir, you have only written triangle inequality property, so we have to leave pages for this, or we can do it from there only.
You can start from there only. We can continue with the exercise afterwards. You can start the
Okay,
exercise.
sir.
You can continue this from the same page. Write the heading revision and then do these questions. And tomorrow you can start the exercise.
Sir, we have to give answers in chat box.
Yeah, give your answers in the chat box. Anya कहाँ चली गई? Anya was there in the starting.
Sir, my answer came x equals 4.
Sir, I have sent answer in chat box.
Okay, you all can post your answer in the chat box. I will be telling you what is the correct answer. Okay.
Sir, please check mine.
Sir, please tell mine.
Sir, please tell mine.
Better just wait, let others also give the answers. I have actually not solved the question. I will have to solve it. Okay, so I will solve it on the board now. So I can see the answers. Some of you have given -4, 2, 2, minus 4, 4, 4, minus 14 upon 5, minus 4. So these are the answers given by you all. Okay, let us discuss. Yeah, 5x minus 4 whole upon 6 is equal to. Now, what you can do here is you can take LCM in all the terms. 2 will be the LCM. Here the denominator is 1. Okay, the denominator is 1. So 2 will be the LCM. So this becomes 8x plus 2 minus. Have you all understood what I have done here? 8x plus 2
Yes, sir.
minus 3x minus 10. ये जरा ध्यान दीजिए. Minus 3x minus 10. There is a minus sign outside. So it will change the signs of both the terms.
Yes, sir. Plus minus minus.
Minus 3x minus 10. Okay, got it? So now 5x minus 4 upon 6 is equal to 8x minus 3x is 5x and 2 minus 10 is minus 8 whole upon 2. Now cross multiply. 2 into 5x minus 4 is equal to 6 into 5x minus 8. So 10x minus 8 is equal to 30x minus 48. Minus 8 plus 48 is equal to 30x minus 10x. So 40 is equals to 20x. That means x is equal to 2. X equals to 2 is the answer. You can verify your answer. You can check
Sir,
your
I have
answer.
not changed the signs.
No. So you can check your
Sir, I
answer
also.
by. इसलिए मैंने बताया था, मुझे पता था कुछ बच्चे यहाँ पर गलती करेंगे, so मैंने इसलिए यहाँ पर आप लोगों को ध्यान देने को बोला था. That when there is a minus sign outside this you can consider this as a bracket. There is a bracket which is invisible. ऐसे cases में क्या होता है, जब ये there are two terms in the numerator और बाहर minus है, तो यहाँ पर एक invisible bracket है. There is a bracket which is invisible. तो जब आप उस bracket के अंदर minus को multiply करेंगे, it will change the signs of both the terms. Got it? याद रहेगा ये? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can verify your answer also if you put x equals to 2 in LHS and x equal to 2 in RHS and simplify both separately. You will see that LHS will become equal to RHS. So x equals to 2 is the answer. Okay, one more I am giving you. Okay, another one. Ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 4 minus 2 into x minus 4 whole upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. This is the question. Find x. 4 minus 2x minus 4 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 2, 2x plus 5. Starting.
Sir, can we cut 1/2 and 2x? Sir,
No, beta, how can you do this? ये 1/2 is outside the bracket and that 2 is inside
Sir,
the
we can cut 2/2 into like 2/2x equals to x.
Sorry. So when you open the bracket, if you are suppose opening the bracket, after opening the bracket, then you can cut these, this 2 and this 2. If you are not opening the bracket, you cannot do it. Okay. So if you open the bracket, it will become x plus 5/2. If you are opening the bracket, it becomes x plus 5/2. Okay.
Sir, I have sent you the answer.
Okay, very good. Okay. Yeah, I have seen your answer. So most of you are getting the same answer. In fact, till now, all of you have got the same answer. तो हो सकता है यही सही आंसर है. आदित्य, गंगवार, Aditi, Pranjal, and Alind. You all have sent the same answer.
sir, please tell the correct answer.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to solve this now. You all
Sir,
can check.
like what is written, it will be 4 minus 2x.
Yeah, 4 minus 2x minus 4 upon 3. So what I'm doing is I'm taking LCM in the LHS 3. So this becomes 12 minus. Now I am going to open the bracket in the same step, minus 2x plus 8. Minus 2x plus 8. Okay. In the RHS, I can also write this as 2x plus 5 whole upon 2. इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 2x plus 5 whole upon 2. मैंने यहाँ पर actually I have not opened the bracket. इसका मतलब और ये दोनों these two are the same thing. Okay. So 12 plus 8 is 20 minus 2x whole upon 3 is equal to 2x plus 5 whole upon 2. Okay. Cross multiply. डायरेक्ट कर दूं मैं, थोड़ा सा समझ में आ जाएगा. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दूं.
Yes, sir, आ जाएगा समझ.
Minus 4x is equal to 6x plus 15. Cross multiply. So 40 minus 15 is 25 and 6x plus 4x is 10x. That means x is equals to 5 upon 2. This is
2.5.
okay.
Sir, I have written
correct.
2.5.
2.5 or 5 upon 2, same thing.
Okay, sir.
Mishra ji has also given the correct answer. Okay, I'm giving you the next one.
Yes,
Beta, your
sir.
questions, let me tell you, these type of questions will come in your test tomorrow. These type of questions. Same नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं. Okay, this type of questions will come in your test tomorrow. और ऑब्जेक्टिव वाले पार्ट में भी आएंगे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस. तो आपको
Sir,
सॉल्व
only
करना
1
पड़ेगा.
minute is left. We will not be able to do it.
कोई बात नहीं. Let me give you the question. You can post your answers later.
Sir, we can give answer on the group.
You can verify your answer on your own. Can you verify your answer on your own? जो भी आपका आंसर आएगा
Yes,
उसको
sir.
आप इक्वेशन में
Sir,
put करके
value में
check
question में put करके.
Yeah. Start doing it. मैं कर दूं solve? It will take less
No,
than 30
sir.
No, sir.
Sir, in the linear equation, it is written only one variable, but there are two variables in this.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर मैंने गलती से x लिख दिया. This is y only. This is 3 minus, मैंने गलती से x लिख दिया था. 3 minus y, sorry, 3 into y minus 5 upon 4 minus 4y is equal to 3 minus y minus 3 upon 2. सब जगह y है.
Okay.